Welcome to today's video. If you're 40 years or older, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk through low-impact exercises designed to help you build strength, improve mobility, boost balance, and stay active with confidence. You don't need a gym, expensive equipment, or hours of workout time. Just a few minutes a day and a willingness to take care of your body. These movements are safe, gentle, and perfect for beginners or anyone getting back into fitness. So take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and let's get started. Remember, your health is an investment, not a race. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share. Let's begin with marching in place. Lift your knees gently and swing your arms naturally. Keep your posture tall, your shoulders relaxed, and your breathing steady. This movement warms up your joints, increases blood flow, and gradually wakes up your muscles. There's no rush. Find a pace that feels comfortable for your body. Let this warm-up ease you into the rest of the routine. Now, roll your shoulders backward in slow, controlled circles. Feel the tension melt away as you move. If you sit a lot during the day, this exercise helps release stiffness in your neck and upper back. After a few backward circles, gently switch direction and roll them forward. Keep your movements smooth and relaxed. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share. Hold on to a sturdy chair for support, and gently lift your leg out to the side. Keep your core tight and your posture upright. You don't have to lift high, just enough to feel the outer hip working. This exercise improves balance, strengthens your hips, and supports everyday movements like walking and climbing stairs. Switch legs when you're ready and keep breathing steadily.
Extend your arms out to the sides and begin making small, slow circles. Start with tiny movements and gradually make them a little bigger. This helps improve shoulder mobility, increase circulation, and warm up your upper body. Keep your neck relaxed and your breathing controlled. Stand an arm length away from a wall and place your palms flat against it. Slowly bend your elbows, bringing your chest closer to the wall, then press back out. Wall push-ups are perfect for building upper body strength without putting pressure on your shoulders or wrists. Move at your own pace and keep your core engaged. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share. Lift one foot slightly off the ground and rotate your ankle clockwise, then counterclockwise. This simple movement improves circulation, supports balance, and prevents stiffness, especially if you're on your feet a lot. Switch to the other ankle when you're ready. Sit comfortably on a chair and straighten one leg out in front of you. Hold it for a second, then slowly bring it back down. This strengthens your thighs, supports knee health, and helps with mobility. Make the movement slow and controlled. After several reps, switch legs. Stand behind your chair for balance. Rise gently onto your toes, lifting your heels off the floor, then lower yourself slowly. Calf raises help build ankle stability, strengthen your lower legs, and improve balance. Keep your movements steady and avoid rushing. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share. Gently tilt your head toward one shoulder and hold for a moment. No forcing, no pushing, just a slow release of tension. Bring your head back to center, then tilt to the other side. This helps relax the neck, reduce stiffness, and ease upper body stress. Place your hands on your hips and make slow, controlled circles. Imagine you're drawing a small circle with your hips. This improves mobility in your lower back and pelvis and helps reduce stiffness that builds up from long hours of sitting or standing. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Slowly lower your body as if you're sitting into a chair, then rise back up. Only go as low as you feel comfortable, even a small bend is enough. This strengthens your legs, glutes, and core, helping you stay strong and steady in daily life. Keep your back straight and your weight in your heels. Let's finish with deep breathing. Raise your arms as you inhale, and gently lower them as you exhale. Feel your body relax and your mind reset. Deep breathing helps reduce stress, calm your heart rate, and bring a peaceful end to your workout. Great job! You completed all exercises. Thank you for joining today's session. If you enjoyed these simple exercises, try doing them a few times a week to stay strong, flexible, and active. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who might benefit.